Okay guys, I've haven't posted any videos in a while, but I thought I'd make one of I guess we'll call it my shop truck. This is my personal summer only truck I built many years ago, over the span of many years. I painted it myself, as you can tell. Saved some money. All new interior. It's got seats out of a 3rd gen. Painted inside the cab black. It's got just an aftermarket stereo. NV 4500 5-speed manual. Custom dash. Yeah, it's got a whole painless wiring harness front to back. Yeah, new carpet, just needs a vacuum. All new trim around the windows. Southern body. Frame completely done. This is done years ago now. Got the Sells Mobile sticker on the back. Still don't have a rear bumper. I was planning on building a roll pan for it, but once it drives, it kind of doesn't make its way back into the shop to get more work done, that's for sure. Yeah, it's got a 4-inch turbo back. So same thing. All new seals on the doors. Apparently they're leaking a little bit. It's never wet inside the cab. It's only when I wash the truck. Pushes past the seals. It's got Stronghold shift boots in it from also years ago. Yeah. No tint on it. I don't know why I never tinted it. Kind of wish I had, but it's got a 1990 grill on it. I just cut all the inserts out, the OEM inserts, and put mesh in place. Because as you can see, it's got a big 2nd gen intercooler in there. So, as far as the engine goes, it's soaking wet because I gave it a quick rinse of dust. But it's P-pump. Was a 160 horse out of an F650. Hydro boost conversion. That's the painless wiring harness fuse box. Custom dual horn intake I built many years ago, full 304 stainless with a handmade on the mill intake manifold plate, billet aluminum. It's got dual feed into the pump, which the pump is a benched pump at 700 cc's of fuel. It's got obviously head studs, main studs, rod bolts, steed speed T3 with a gate that's blocked off, S364 Schwitzer BD Super B, S475 Ford Warner 1.32 exhaust housing. It's all handmade. It's got a big support bracket underneath to hold this big guy up. Mishimoto rad. The head's fully done, port polished, fire ring, keepers, retainers, push rods. It's got a big stick cam in it. Hazley full ceramic dual disc clutch. Hazley lifetime input shaft on the transmission for the NV 4500. And yeah, as far as first gens go, I've daily driven a couple of these trucks, and I've never had one that boogies like this. Well, I mean, I've always had one that boogies like this. It just hasn't been out of the shop that long. But yeah, I'll put the hood down. Hood's kind of a pain actually, because I have homemade hood pins on it. those wires there, painless harness for a trailer plug if I ever wanted one. Probably not going to be pulling trailers with this truck, but yeah. Tire needs some air. Hoping to get it out a couple times this year. It's going to be at the North of 9 show. So if you want to check it out, it'll be there. It might have a for sale sign on it, don't know yet. But love-hate relationship with this truck.